Unlocking the Secrets of Chill Atmosphere. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock the secrets of speaking like a native. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might hear in casual conversations, movies, or even read in books. We're talking about the chill atmosphere. Stick around to understand what it means, how to use it, and why it's a favorite in casual English-speaking contexts. At first glance, chill and atmosphere might seem like simple words, but together, they paint a vivid picture. Chill, in this context, doesn't refer to cold temperature, but rather to a state of calm, relaxation, and comfort. Atmosphere refers to the feeling or mood of a particular place or setting. So, when combined, chill atmosphere describes a setting or environment that is relaxed, laid back, and free from stress or tension. To better understand how to use chill atmosphere, let's look at some examples. After a long week at work, I love hanging out at the beach cafe. It has such a chill atmosphere. This yoga studio is perfect for me. The chill atmosphere helps me relax and focus. They've redecorated the library to create a more chill atmosphere, making it the perfect place to study. These examples show how chill atmosphere can apply to various settings, emphasizing the importance of a relaxed and comfortable environment. The phrase, chill atmosphere, has become popular for several reasons. It encapsulates a universal desire for spaces where we can unwind, be ourselves, and escape the pressures of daily life. In today's fast-paced world, finding a chill atmosphere has become a priority for many, making this phrase not just popular but also relevant in discussions about mental health, lifestyle choices, and social gatherings. Understanding phrases like chill atmosphere not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you connect with the cultural nuances of the English language. It's a beautiful example of how language evolves to capture the essence of our experiences and desires. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of chill atmosphere for you. Whether you're looking to describe a place you love or create that perfect relaxed setting, remembering the essence of this phrase will surely help. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.